Hello everyone! Samahan niyo kami ngayon dito sa Seda Vertis North. Once you've entered the room, ang pinakauna niyong makikita is of course the king-size bed and the love seat. Basking through the entire room, you can already tell that it gives off this relaxing and serene vibe. Yung tipong mapapahiga ka na lang talaga. And as for the view, super daming greenery and it's absolutely stunning. Dito naman sa bathroom, it's just your typical bathroom with a high shower, a toilet, and of course, a wide sink. If family naman kayo na puro kids, super ma-enjoy nila itong play area na napakalaki. It's a space that is ample enough to play around. Syempre, hindi rin magpapahuli ang one of the best features ng Seda Vertis North is of course yung club lounge. Super cozy ng ambience niya dito and super daming pagpipilian. Coming from the unlimited beverages, hindi rin magpapahuli ang unlimited snacks nila. They also serve appetizers, main course, and of course, meron ding desserts. Talagang mahihilo ka na lang sa choices na makikita mo. They also serve breakfast, afternoon tea, and meron din silang cocktail. If you need assistance, just don't hesitate to ask the staff. Super accommodating din nila pagdating for help. Super ganda na experience namin dito sa Seda Vertis North. We really highly recommend. So if I were you guys, give this a go.